windows down, driving down the 405, sing along to the radio. We're gonna make it someday. Nothing's gonna get in our way. We will be the biggest band in town. Round and round the world we'll go.
You're coming in this way, are you?
Putting on the greatest show.
On, so
make sure that you don't miss out. Just be there. We're taking our shot. What you got? We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million.
Right, important job, Emily. This car is disgustingly dirty. So what we want to do?
Clean it.
Clean it. Where do we need to go?
Car wash.
Car wash.
We're going through the car wash.
No. Their drive-through car washes are bad for your paint work.
Is it the one when it rolls? When the thing is in a circle?
No.
Is that the one that's difficult for your paint?
This is, yeah, we're going in one that's like a powerful hose pipe.
The plumbing, like.
You want us to do it again?
Yeah.
Right, with that. You ready?
Yes.
That.
Yeah.
Right, fellas, welcome back. This car has been needing a wash forever. So Emily wanted a wash, didn't you, Emily?
Yeah.
So we're going to go to a jet wash. I've got no water in the house. I've got no hose pipe to get the extension. So we literally just got to go to a jet wash. Got no option.
And Dad's gonna get me some sweets. Or if I don't want a sweet, we'll get choice.
Let's go to the garage, Emily. Let's go to the garage.
Let's go.
Right, we're at the jet wash, Emily. Get your wellies on. Right, now are you ready? Watch.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to give you this. Watch when you press the trigger.
Yeah.
Just don't hit the car with it. Go on. Watch. Keep it on, watch. Watch, keep it on, watch. I'll show you, watch. If you hold it like this, right? Hold that in.
Yes, baby. Okay.
Look, keep holding it like that.
Okay.
Try not to hit the car with the stick. Let's have a quick go.
I did a good job. Dad.
Doing a good job there, mind. Lift it up. There you go, with your fingers. That's it, fellas. Emily's gone now. She's bored already. Right, fellas, so you might not have guessed, I'm not like a detailer. Like, I'm not really that fussed about keeping my car like perfectly scratch free and that. All I want is the muck off, a bit of wax on, a bit of tyre shine and shiny wheels, and I'm happy. But right, Finesse sent us like a load of stuff, so I'm just going to try this. It's a 333 all-in-one polish. Normally I use like Maguire's and that, but they sent us some, so I thought, why not? Smells nice. First thing we're going to try is this 333 all-in-one polish with an AutoGlym applicator.
I don't want to stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low. Now, if you want to go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance. You will never regret the things that
That's it, fellas. I fully polished the car. We just need to take it off now. But, right, look at this. Auto Finesse, right? The set is like 3 types of cloth. I don't know which one to take. Oh, it's an applicator pad in there. I don't know which one you take it off with. Ah, look, it says on the bag. See there? That says glass towel. This one says drying towel. Yeah, these fellas. So you must use the white ones to take it off. You can never have too many microfibers. We're on easy. Let's see if it comes off easy.
'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night, this summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We never need.
As you can tell, fellas, I'm not a detailer. How I enjoy this car is me and the bird will mess about with it. Like, she gets sherbet, ice cream all over it. It's just how I enjoy my car. I understand a lot of people will treat it very different, but it's just how I enjoy it. So, anyway, stay there. Stay there, I'll be 2 seconds. I'm just going to put some tyre shine on. The best stuff I've found is this AutoGlym. Auto Finesse doesn't give us any, so I'm going to use what I've got. I'll leave a link for this in the description. I'll also leave a link to all the Auto Finesse stuff.
Never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand.
I also, right, I use this on this splitter on the front.
'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this.
Fellas, what would be the worst bit of cleaning cars? Got to clean the glass. Auto Finesse supplied us with this. It's called Crystal Glass Cleaner and a proper glass towel, but it's called a Waffle. Probably because it's got like crisscrosses like a waffle, can you see? Oh, it feels weird, it feels like rubbery and... Doesn't smell good, this. I've smelled that smell before. I smelled this stuff before somewhere. Yeah, I'll zoom you in so you can watch.
In the wilderness, we never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by
Give this a
the
go, eh?
lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get
This waffle's brilliant. Really is. Next fellas, we're doing the windscreen. I think this lens could do with a clean as well, to be honest. Is that better? Can you see it's better? This is good stuff, this, like. I don't know if it's this that's good or this, but the combination compared to what I normally use, like normally I'll use like AutoGlym stuff and the big kitchen wool. This is like a lot quicker and a lot easier. Hi. Watch how easy this stuff is, man. Watch. Done. There we go, fellas. Easy as that. Honestly, this stuff with this glass waffle and this crystal glass cleaner, oh, so good, so easy. This 333 polish, just as good as anything else I've used, spot on. And the tyre shine, I always recommend the AutoGlym stuff. I've used it for years, it's just super easy. Anyway, thanks for watching, fellas. I hope I didn't trigger anyone with the video. That was never my intent, it's just how I use the car. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll catch you soon and stay safe. Oh, thanks to Auto Finesse as well for sending the gear out.